Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Marvel Universe with a very special drawing. Thanos, the Mad Titan. Whether you know him from the comics or from the blockbuster Avengers movies, Thanos has become one of the most iconic villains in modern storytelling. His presence is powerful, intimidating, and unforgettable, which makes him a perfect subject for today's fan art. Let's get started with the sketch. I begin by outlining the basic head and body structure. Thanos has a very distinctive look. A massive frame, a broad jawline, and those deep furrowed lines across his chin that fans instantly recognize. At this stage, it's all about building the proportions and making sure the foundation feels right before adding in the details. Next, I refine the sketch by focusing on his facial features. Thanos is known for his piercing eyes and that stern, commanding expression. Getting his face right is key, because it's the emotion and the power behind the character that really make him come alive on paper. I also map out the shapes of his golden armor, which gives him that larger-than-life royal presence. Once the sketch is complete, I move on to the inking stage. Clean, bold lines help bring clarity to the drawing, and with a character like Thanos, the strong line work emphasizes his strength and dominance. I make sure to carefully ink the armor details and facial wrinkles, which add depth and texture to the piece. Now comes the coloring, my favorite part of the process. I start with the iconic purple skin tone, gradually layering shadows and highlights to give his face a three-dimensional feel. His golden armor gets a mix of warm tones with strong highlights, so it looks powerful and metallic. And of course, the glowing yellow eyes really stand out against the dark tones of his face, adding that menacing touch. As I build up the colors, I keep an eye on the background too. A splash of vibrant colors adds energy and contrast, helping Thanos pop out of the frame. This makes the final artwork bold, dramatic, and perfect for showcasing his presence as the ultimate Marvel villain. And there it is, the finished Thanos drawing. This was such a fun piece to work on, and I hope you enjoyed watching the process. If you're a Marvel fan, let me know in the comments who your favorite Marvel character is, and maybe I'll draw them next. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Marvel fan art and drawing tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.